Alright, so one of the simplest and most widely known ciphers is a Caesar cipher, also known as a shift cipher. In a shift cipher, the meanings of the letters are shifted by some set amount. A common modern use is the ROT13 cipher, where the values of the letters are shifted by 13 places. Thus, A shifts to N, B shifts to O, and so on. Write a function that takes a ROT 13 encoded string as input and returns a decoded string. All letters will be uppercase. Do not transform any non-alphabetic character, i.e. spaces and punctuation, but we will pass them on. So the basic way on how to do this, and we're gonna use this encoded string as an example. And within our function ROT13, we have a parameter string, and then right here we're going to split string into a character and into a character array. So we're going to type return keyword string dot split. All right, hold on, dot split, and we're going to iterate over each character in the array. Okay, hold on, use this comma, iterate over each character in the array. We're going to use the map method, and then we're going to use the call method, and then string comma function char. Okay, and then we're going to convert char to a character code. So x equals char dot char code at 0. Now, after this line, and make another comment. Okay, next we're going to check if character lies between A to Z. So if, I'm going to shift all this. So if x is less than 65, or if x is greater than 90, to return string dot from character code x should, and this should return an unconverted character. Now, n is equivalent to ASCII key 78 if the character code is less than 78, shift forward 13 places. Alright. And so else if x is less than 78, return string dot from character code x plus 13. Otherwise, shift the character 13 places backward. In which use the return keyword again, string dot from character code x minus 13. Okay, and then here we're going to do dot join comma, and so we rejoin the array into a string. Okay, and I'm going to click run, and the decoded string says you did it. So to explain to you what I've done, a string variable is declared and initialized to store the decoded string. The for loop is used to loop through each character of the input string. If the character is not uppercase English alphabets, i.e. its ASCII doesn't lie between 65 and 91, we'll leave it as it is and continue with the next iteration. If it's the uppercase English alphabet, we'll subtract 13 from its ASCII code. If the ASCII code is less than 78, it'll get out of range when subtracted by 13. So we'll add 26, number of letters in the English alphabet, to it so that after A, it'll go back to Z. And now I'm going to show you an intermediate way, an intermediate level way to implement this algorithm. See you in the next lecture.